Check out this GMC 2015 Yukon 4WD 4-door SLT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 4-wheel ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, 4x4, 6-speed automatic transmission, 8-cylinder engine, adjustable pedals, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels and AM/FM stereo. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.